The X-ray Space Telescope Chandra has been in space for over 25 years now. But how much longer will it be able to collect data and send images to us? And what have been the biggest breakthroughs because of Chandra? We'll get to those questions and more. I'm Ben, this is Physics or Bust. Chandra has enough propellant in its thrusters to keep operating for another 10 years. And when they did the 2022 Senior Review, which assesses the scientific return of missions, the Chandra was given the highest ranking, which means it's a really good return on the investment. As of right now, there are no other telescopes that have the spatial resolution of Chandra, and there's no plans to make a successor for at least the next 20 years. So as of right now, the only thing keeping it from continuing for another 10 years is funding. And right now, by the looks of it, it's going to be cut short on funding after this next year. Which means that even though the spacecraft itself will be operational, there won't be the funding to actually keep getting images and utilizing its capabilities. For comparison, each year of running Chandra is about the same as buying one F-22 Raptor. Let's look at some of the biggest breakthroughs and accomplishments that Chandra has given us. Chandra images have shown that supermassive black holes, much like the one at the center of our own galaxy, have some very explosive activity. And speaking of explosive activity, Chandra also helped scientists understand how supernovas, explosions of stars, help to disperse calcium and other elements throughout their solar systems. Chandra also recorded a high-energy light pulse from the collision of two neutron stars and the resulting explosion because of it. Chandra also discovered two intergalactic clouds of gas, which, as more observations are made, may confirm what scientists expect to be the existence of a vast web-like system of gas clouds, galaxies, and dark matter, dubbed the Cosmic Web. Which begs the question, where's the big Spider-Man? Chandra's data has also played a pivotal role in helping scientists understand how the distribution of radiation can determine the habitability of planets. And the one I find most impressive is that in September of 2020, Chandra actually observed the transit of a planet in front of a star in the Whirlpool Galaxy. So not even in our own galaxy. If confirmed, this would be the first intergalactic planet discovered. But here's the catch. Scientists estimate that the transit of this planet won't happen for another 70 years. So unless we're going to get another space telescope that can do the same or better than Chandra, we're not going to be able to confirm that transit of the planet when it happens. Over the past 25 years, Chandra has given loads of information and data to researchers and scientists, and without that data, we wouldn't know as much as we know now. But as the saying goes, the more you know you don't know, you know? Meaning that as we have learned a lot from Chandra, there's also a whole lot more that we know we don't know yet. And we could really use another X-ray space telescope in the skies. Or at the very least, continue the funding for Chandra while it's still up there and the propulsion systems still have fuel. If you enjoyed this video, I think you'd like this book. I have an affiliate link in the description below. I do get a small commission, but it doesn't cost you any extra. For more updates on space science and technology, remember to subscribe and hit that like button. And remember, keep asking questions. I'll see you on the next video.